Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make Heath Ledger Joker in Roblox. Start by gathering reference art, clothing items, and face paint textures, then open Roblox Studio and create a new character rig. Organize assets into folders, import textures, and apply layered decals for face paint. Adjust color balance and lighting to match the gritty look, then test animations and emotes to capture the character's posture and movement convincingly. Begin with a base white decal and add a slightly darker layer for dirt and wear, blending edges with low opacity brushes for realism. Paint the smile and eye makeup on separate layers so you can tweak shape and intensity independently, then apply small smudges with a soft brush to simulate aging. Test different hue and contrast settings under studio lighting until the face paint reads correctly in-game and in screenshots. Thanks for watching so far, and if this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like for more Roblox tutorials. Those clicks really help. Quick recommendation. On another note, if your car or studio smells funky after long sessions, try Little Tree's Black Ice for a fresh, bold scent that keeps your space feeling crisp. I find it oddly motivating while building. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Select a purple overcoat that matches the Joker's silhouette, then pair it with a patterned vest and a collared shirt underneath to recreate the layered look. Tint the hair deep green and choose a messy style that reads well at small sizes, and use subtle wear textures on fabric to avoid a pristine appearance. Carefully adjust part offsets and body scaling to prevent clipping during animations, and preview the outfit in multiple poses and lighting setups.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.